Hello guys, in this video you'll learn how to connect a YouTube channel with n8n without any errors. First, let's start by opening a new workflow in n8n. If you want to know how to install and run n8n locally, I've already made a video about it. Check it out from the link in description or in the top right. Now for this video, I've created a test YouTube channel, which I'll be using to show how to connect to n8n. In your case, you can even use your main channel, depending on your scenario. Now, first thing first, let's create a manual trigger and then attach a YouTube node to it. Then let's click on the Setup Credential button, which will take us to the Connections section. Now, to get the client ID and client secret, let's go to Google Cloud Console. In Google Cloud Console, if you don't have any project or if you want to keep it all organized, create a new project through this dialog. In my case, I already have a test project, so I'm skipping this step. After you've selected the project, search for YouTube Data API v3 in the search bar and click the first result and then enable it. After enabling, we have to create OAuth consent screen and then create OAuth credential to get our client ID and client secret. To do that, follow these steps. Type any name in the app name field and then add your email. Then, in the audience, select External, and then type in your mail again, and finally, agree to the data policy and click Create. Now click on this Create OAuth Client button to create our OAuth credential. Here select Web Application for the application type, and then copy the OAuth redirect URL from n8n and paste it in the Authorized Redirect URLs field, and then click Create. Now this will be our client ID, and the client secret will be present inside the JSON file. But for whatever reason, the file is not downloading if I click the download button, so I'll have to get it by another way. Anyway, let me paste the client ID for now. Now, since I couldn't download the JSON file, I'm clicking on this credential which I created just now and copy the client secret from here and paste it back in n8n. But in your case, you can find it in the JSON file itself, or you can just follow what I'm doing. Anyway, after pasting the client ID and client secret, click Sign in with Google. Then select the YouTube channel you want to connect. Now this is a common error faced by a lot of people because of missing one step. To fix this, go back to Google Cloud Console and select Audience from this side panel. And then, under Publishing Status, click the Publish App button. Now let's try signing in again. This error is because of the Publish app we did just now. It will take some time to work properly. If you encounter this error, then wait for a minute and retry again. If you encounter this warning, just ignore it and click Advanced and click on Go to Your App Name, and then allow all these access for your YouTube channel and click Continue. Now, as you can see, the channel is connected successfully with n8n. If you encounter any other error, then feel free to post them in the comments and I'll help you resolve it. Now, with YouTube connected, let's try running the workflow with a YouTube node to test it. For that, let's use the Get Video Categories node, since it is simple and doesn't need any inputs. As you can see, the connection works perfectly fine. In the next video, I'll show how you can automate video generation and publishing to YouTube through n8n. If you find that interesting, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you'll get notified about it and about more other coding, automation and AI related videos. Thanks for watching.